Today I'm going to show you how to put Dafont fonts into CapCut step by step so you can use custom typography in your edits and make your videos look way more professional. This works great whether you're making short form content, YouTube videos, TikToks, or any project where the default fonts just don't feel right. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, we need to download the font from Dafont. Open your browser and go to the Dafont website. Once you're there, browse through the categories or search for the style you want. When you find a font you like, click the download button on the right side of the font page. Your font will usually download as a compressed zip file, and you can find it in your computer's downloads folder. Next, we need to unzip the file and install the font into your operating system. Go to your downloads folder, right-click the zip file and select Extract All. After the extraction is complete, open the new folder that was created. Inside, you should see the actual font file, usually ending in .ttf or .tv. Double-click that file to open the font preview window. In that window, click Install at the top left. Once installed, make sure you remember the exact font name, because you'll need that later inside CapCut. Now for an important step, if CapCut is already open, completely close it before going any further. CapCut needs to refresh its font list, and it usually won't detect newly installed fonts while it is still running. So close the app fully, then relaunch the CapCut desktop app and open your project timeline again. This refresh is what makes the new font show up in the font menu. Once CapCut is open, it's time to apply your new typography. Click text in the top left, then click the plus button or add text to place a text layer onto your timeline. After that, click the text layer in the timeline so the editing settings appear. On the right hand panel, look under text and then basic. You should see a font drop down box there. Click the font drop down and either scroll through the list or use the built-in search bar to type the exact name of the font you downloaded from Dafont. When you see it, click to apply it to your text. If everything was installed correctly, your Dafont font should now be active inside CapCut and ready to use in your project. From there, you can adjust the size, spacing, color, outline, shadow, and animation just like any other text style in CapCut. This is a great way to make your captions, titles, and overlays stand out more and match your editing style. If the font does not appear right away, don't worry. Just double check that the font file was installed properly, that CapCut was fully closed and reopened, and that you're searching for the exact font name. Those 3 steps usually solve the problem fast, and that's it. Now you know how to put Dafont fonts into CapCut on your desktop. If this video helped, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.